What is up, Lambros? Hey, it's SteveCurrington.com here if you're new to the channel. I'm Lambros Steve, and I am in Claremore, Oklahoma. Kind of a good, big news day today. If you've been following, we are flipping this house in Claremore. I'm sitting, by the way, in the Rolls Royce because I've been doing some work today, and I am in the driver's seat, so I did not find a driver yet. But exciting thing is I just pulled up on my phone the contract for Shenandoah, which is the other house that we're flipping, which is a rental that I've had for 12 years, and we did get a contract accepted on that house. I listed it at $183,777. Pick that number. Sold it for $188,777. So I have the contract now. I'm going to sign it, but I wanted to come up here because they did everything like brand new windows, painted the outside. They did tile inside. Chris is here, so I'll kind of get Chris to kind of talk to you about what things that we've done. So I'm going to sign this contract. Stick around. We'll be with Chris here in just a minute. I always forget to turn the camera on whenever things start getting heated.
You tend to do that. Get heated. Over a tree.
So listen,
arguing over
they trim these trees, right? So good job. These got trimmed all the way up. But I'm like, Chris, this is the same crap.
This is not my fault. I wasn't here when this happened.
It's your guys, though. Yeah. Oh, you're not responsible for your team. Okay.
Yeah,
cool.
yeah, I'm responsible for them.
Listen,
but we
just take responsibility for your own team.
Excuse me, I take responsibility.
What happened is you chopped that branch and that branch. This whole sprout of this. Okay, look, is this not the exact same tree that was in the backyard of Shenandoah?
It's the exact same tree.
It's just a sprout of a tree, and if you're standing right here, look. Right. It creates a step in the sidewalk. But look at this, dude. If that's gone, you'll see that beautiful house that just got repainted.
Yeah, no, I get it.
It just needs to go completely. And it can't cost that much. What's it going to cost them to cut it down?
I don't know. I mean,
$500?
Me, $500. Probably cost you like $4 grand.
It'll cost, what the? I mean, probably when like it's winter, you can probably see the house, but you know what I'm saying? No, dude, I'm telling you, you'll sell this house faster. Look at how beautiful that is now that it's all painted gray. I mean, this is like a whole new house with the new windows all around, you know? What else did they do?
Trimmed up all, well, that one needs to go. I don't know why we kept that.
Oh my God.
I kind of want to take my truck to this right now and pull it down.
You think you got a chain?
No, I do not have a chain. No.
It's pretty solid in there.
I don't know, man.
That half of it's dead. It looks like they kind of like weren't done right here. Well, but see how they went up, but they skipped this one branch? And they need to get those branches that are on the house off. Did you follow what I just said? Those ones up there are scraping up the roof.
Yeah, we got a little bit more trim in here.
Yeah. All right, so to this house, Chris, what have we done? And we're about to do some landscaping too, but obviously painted the outside.
Painted the outside. We did tile, wood floors already. Got cabinets sitting in there waiting to be installed. We did all the showers, did all the plumbing, and sheetrockers are here right now doing the sheetrocker. So after that, we can start painting the inside.
And then painted the outside.
Painted the outside.
We said that we replaced the windows.
We've done a lot here, actually. We've made some good progress in what?
Oh, they painted the brick on the bottom too. I just noticed that. That brick's all dark gray. That looks good. Wow, dude. This thing's coming along, man. And we did Todd had a little project that he did upstairs, which I don't know if it's still there, that we could go look at.
Yeah, let's go see it. I'm trying to correct that right now.
It was hey, the floor's not level, so let's lay some cement on the second floor. And needless to say, it turned out great. So we're going to go check that out. We'll be right back.
Close.
Because it has to pick up the sound well. Chris, yes. What is happening in here?
Well, right now he's doing mud tape, sheetrock.
It looks like trashed in here, yeah, but I know we've made progress because it has to get nasty before it gets good. But check out this.
Right, check out that.
Yeah, because there's another video of this. This is where previously the toilet was over here, right?
Yep. Toilet was over here.
So it completely relocated that, made a big nice shower, and then the furnace is just random in that corner.
Yeah, it is what it is.
But someone is gonna love this 1906 house.
Yeah, this thing's sweet. It's got some serious curb appeal. It's got the charm of 1906.
It's a good thing Steve's here to tell you what trees to cut down.
Yeah, I know. That's what makes the house.
Now, I promised the viewers, all four of you that are probably watching this, that we would go see the job that our good friend Todd Briggs did to repair the floor in the upstairs. Now, this might be an unconventional way that you might repair or level a floor, but we like it. Oh, it starts here.
Yeah, it starts right here.
So what you do is you put some Quickcrete down there, to kind of level it, right?
Yeah, level creep.
And then look,
It's meant to level.
it only breaks up a little bit. And then,
It's like a fun house.
wow. And then in here, this is the good room.
That's the one.
Oh, there's still some left.
Oh, there's lots.
Look, it's repair mortar. Wow. This is gonna cost a little bit to get cleaned up.
Yeah, it's all right. We'll figure it out.
All right, we're back in the master bathroom because these things are everywhere. Look, they're here, they're there, they're, oh my God.
They're everywhere.
They're back there. Look, they're all lined up right there, like just chilling and sleeping. They're right there. Oh, dude. Guys, we are downstairs. Upstairs, I had to kill some music that was happening, but this is the kitchen, Chris. Already have a little repair to do from the upstairs. You said what happened?
The weight of the tile sagged it down.
Oh, and it busted through the ceiling and then dumped on our
Yeah.
beautiful brand new cabinets. The outside is baller. I can't wait till they finish what's going on here in the inside.
It's gonna look sweet.
And I think it's gonna look sweet too. So anyway, that is the Claremore updates. I'm gonna head back. As I mentioned at the beginning, I just signed the contract for Shenandoah. That one's gone. After we leave here, it took 20 days to sell. And I had 2 offers that I rejected, but after we leave here, we're gonna go look at a new project, a monster project that we don't even know who owns this monster project.
We know who owns it. We gotta find a way
We
to
have to
contact
track them down.
Yeah, we gotta, like,
So this is what you have to do. We found a house. It's been halfway built for at least 2-3 years, I think.
Yeah, roundabout.
And it's a huge monster house, and it's literally left undone. So, but it's got a gate. We're gonna try to go check it out. So I'll film that. That'll be in a future video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Later.